first thing we noticed was we came back after an evening session where they had been putting them in, and the hallways were so bright. But we were pleased because it made our school look really clean and neat. So some of the major benefits we've had now that we have these new LED lights is just a feeling of brightness in the school. I feel like it's easier for the children to see in the classrooms, and definitely throughout the hallway. It feels a little more secure, actually, for security reasons as well. They are very happy. We had asked for some switches to be changed so that we only have half the lights on at a time, and that pleased the teachers very much because it was done promptly and everything was done so well and neatly. We were encouraged to switch to LED, I believe, through the district because of cost. It was going to be quite a savings if we had LED lights in our school. Our overall experience of working with EnergyWare was quite good.